Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yummy D, and today, well, this video basically is going to be a hair vlog. So I'm just gonna take out my hair and wash it because I have an appointment tomorrow at 12:30. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just take out my hair, take out my braids, and just fully moisturize my hair and wash it and stuff like that. So I got a lot of hair products from Dwayne Reed that I want to show you guys. So these are all the stuff that I got. I'm gonna first show you the shampoo and conditioner that I got. So the shampoo that I got is Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. So I got this because I know biotin is very good for your hair and for like thickening your hair, and I realized like my natural hair is really like kind of thin. So I got the shampoo and I also got the conditioner, and basically the same thing. And then I wanted some leave-in conditioner, so I got Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, and it has red palm oil and coconut butter, and I thought that was really good for your hair, and also has like good fattening alcohols in here. And then I also got some protecting and silk blowout quick drying thermal spray because I want something that's gonna help blow dry my hair, and basically like a heat protecting spray. And this is what this is. And because I'm also going to be flat iron or I'll be getting a silk press later on this year. Well, later on at the end of the year, because right now it's starting to get cold and the air is starting to get dry, so it's like the perfect time to straighten your hair. And then the last thing I got, I don't know about this one. I don't know if this is a real one because I heard that a lot of Jamaican castor oil are fake, but I saw this and I grabbed it. So this is the Jamaican this is the Jamaican mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil, and it helps straighten your hair. And I really just like this because it's a natural ingredient and it's known for helping hair growth and stuff. So that is all the things that I got from Dwayne Reed. So I'm just gonna go ahead right now and just take my hair out. But first I'm actually gonna clean my room up because my room is kind of a mess because I was taking pictures. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly clean my room out and just clear my bed out and take my makeup off and sit down and watch something, and then do all this hair stuff and things. Anyways, the hair that I have on right now is by Kalahi from Amazon. I just posted a video about it, so if you want to know some info about it, I will post the video right here or right here. I don't know what side it is, but yeah, I'm gonna put the link of the video somewhere up here so you guys can check it out. I like gross beds. I just finished taking out my hair. I'm just gonna comb it out and then use the product. Hair is not that dirty because I feel like I washed it like 2 weeks ago. I'm sorry, but I'm one of those people who literally do not wash their hair as often. I don't know if that's like gross or anything, but I don't feel like I need to wash my hair as often. I don't know. Let me know, comment down below how often you guys wash your hair. But like I like literally, I feel like I wash my hair like every month and a half if I need to. Good morning, you guys. So I'm about to go get my hair done. I just washed my hair yesterday and put it in this bun. Whatevs. This is what I'm wearing today. I am, hold up. I am wearing my favorite Adidas dress and a black crop jacket, and I'm gonna put on my Yeezys. So this is my outfit today. I'm gonna hurry up and finish getting ready and leave my house right now.
Pretty little thing, you got a bad